Winter driving can be very challenging, especially when you're traveling in a colder climates, snowy or icy road condition. You may never know what you may encounter. These are the following tips will definitely help you improve your winter driving. I'm Amar Shahzad from AMG Global's Driver Safety Program. Before you start a trip in winter, spend little extra time on your pre-trip to make sure these following items are in a perfect condition. For example, tires, they are in a perfect condition, there are no missing threads on the tire, and they are properly inflated. Also make sure your wiper blades are in a perfect condition and they are properly cleaning your windscreen. Once you are on the road and the road conditions are slick, make sure you keep an extra distance from a vehicle ahead of you. Also, you don't change lanes under the bridges, on the bridges, or on a rough road surface. Go very easy on acceleration or braking system. You must carry these following items with you. For example, carry and wear proper clothing, a flashlight, extra food and water, a bag of salt or sand, jumper cables, tire chains, and try to keep your fuel tanks full. Also keep these following items in your truck: hammer, quick start, diesel treatment, brakes treatment, few bungee cords, and a propane heater or stove. When you are fueling or parking for the night, don't use your trailer brake. They can be freeze up easily. Just use the tractor brake, which is a yellow switch on the dashboard. I personally have never used the trailer brakes even in summer. Doesn't matter I'm fueling or sleeping for the night. Last but not least, do not drive if the road conditions are very slippery or worse out there. Just park it somewhere. Load can be delivered to a different day or time, but we want you to be back home with your family and friends safely. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please hit a like button and subscribe to our channel. Also share it with your fellow drivers. Wish you all the best and be safe out there. Thank you. I'm Amar from AMG Global.